Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Tube Review channel. In today's video, we are checking out the top 5 best computer speakers on the market in 2020. Depending on my research, customer reviews, and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want the video like this. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting at number 5, we have the Logitech Z625 speakers. This is a great subwoofer option. The Logitech Z625 is a great speaker system with a nice powerful subwoofer for those who like extra low-end bass for movies, TV and games. They're priced at $140, making them not only affordable but attractive for their sound quality. This 2.1 speaker system is built with bass in mind, thanks to its large powerful subwoofer. Two 8-inch satellites complement the desk with a stylish and sleek look. A volume and separate bass style are great for those who want to individually control the low end. It also includes a headphone jack on the side. The low-end bass of the Z625 means the action movies and video games come alive with deep, rich explosions and other sound effects that never interfere with dialogue. That's a huge plus when it comes to speaker setups. In total, the Z625 can handle a 200-watt RMS output, which is tremendously powerful for a speaker setup at this price range and size. Although there's no Bluetooth connectivity, the inclusion of a 3.5mm jack does allow you to plug in your smartphone and other devices for media playback. The cons is no Bluetooth. The lack of Bluetooth connectivity is a disappointment. We would have loved to see Bluetooth connectivity for a speaker set in the $140 range, and it's definitely an issue given that this is a more advanced speaker system for the home. That being said, the Logitech Z625 system delivers solid Apple 2.1 audio with a lot of range to play with the low end, making it good for those who want to dial down the bass in favor of mids and highs. It's easy to set up and offers great clarity for a very competitive price. At number 4, we have the Bose Companion 2 Series 3. These are our best value per dollar computer speakers. Priced at $100 on the Bose Companion 2 Series 3 desktop speakers. They're great value per dollar option with great sound quality, small form factor and a few more extras that make them attractive as an overall package. The Series 3 speakers are more traditional in design, featuring one speaker housing, all the internals, while the other merely connects to it. There's options for aux-in if a secondary hookup is desired. This allows you to hook up an iPhone, iPad or other audio device for dual-purpose operation. The primary speaker features a volume knob and headphone jack, which is all you need given the quality of the speakers themselves. Although low-end performance can occasionally sound a bit muffled, they do deliver a very wide sound space in comparison to many competing models, which increases overall clarity. Bass is very full despite the lack of a subwoofer, and stereo imaging is quite wonderful, creating a very immersive listening experience for a pair of non-surround speakers. They also drive a lot of power for their class, delivering lots of peak volume for those who enjoy turning things up. The Bose Companions lack the flashiness of the Logitech Z625 speakers and the Harman Kardon sound sticks next on our list, but they retain the company's signature penchant for maintaining clarity at high volume. They are not quite as small as Logitech Z625 speakers either, but they are more robust when it comes to performance, making them a worthy solution for a desktop PC setup. At number 3, we have the Harman Kardon SoundSticks 3. These are our best designed computer speakers. For those who love over-the-top aesthetics to complement their desk decor, the Harman Kardon SoundSticks are definitely worth a look. They're not only some of the most unique-looking speakers on the market, but they're more than capable of delivering excellent sound, all for a price of $200. The SoundSticks are artistic in design, having been featured at New York City's Museum of Modern Art for their eye-catching pop culture-inspired look. Their see-through design and futuristic look is like nothing ever seen before, which is a nice touch for those who want art decor on their desk. A down-firing subwoofer is powered by a 20-watt amp that produces better low-frequency resonance. While the speakers offer full-range transducers that bombard the space around you with detailed, clear sound that can be angled according to your tastes. By bending them from low to high for accurate positioning each time. Innovative touch controls are both stylish and functional with a minimalist look, and the high-quality audio cables ensure crystal-clear audio transmission without interference. The Harman Kardon sound sticks provide excellent sound, and they make a great addition to your space. If you're an art lover or want something unique and vibrant to spice up your desk, they don't sacrifice functionality for form, and they're more than capable of handling your audio needs. At number 2, we have the Audioengine A2 speakers. For a speaker system with impressive sound and hassle-free setup, it's hard to top the Audioengine A2 speakers. They offer strong connectivity options and versatility, not normally seen in desktop speaker systems for just $270. The Audioengine A2 speakers are capable of filling a room with crystal-clear sound. They're also wireless, allowing them to be set up out of the box very easily. Their minimalist design is not only attractive but easy to use. Featuring a front panel volume control and a headphone jack with all the necessary inputs and outputs on the back of the left speaker. A 2 3/4-inch Kevlar woofer is married to a 1-inch silk dome tweeter for excellent clarity and separation between lows, mids, and height. They don't require a subwoofer for excellent low end, but you can connect to one if you so desire. Bluetooth connectivity is a true plus here, allowing for instant connection to the speakers without any cumbersome network setup. Stereo imaging and clarity is considered up to audiophile standards, despite its smaller size and design, built primarily for desktop setups. The Audioengine A2 speakers offer an unparalleled level of versatility with tremendously good sound quality. The wireless design is great for reducing clutter, the design motif is both classy and appealing, and the price is very justifiable in exchange for the stellar sound delivery. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. The last product on our list is the Creative Pebble computer speakers. Determining which set of budget computer speakers are worth the price is a daunting task. That's why Creative Labs offers the Pebble speaker system for those who don't want to spend a lot but still want great audio. They're priced nicely at $20, which is excellent in return for what they offer. The speakers are small, sleek and indented with simple straightforward controls. This is a 2.0 speaker system designed to project great quality stereo sound with 8 watts total RMS and 16 watts of peak power. Though they obviously aren't meant to act as a premier audio system, they are perfectly suited for office workers, for those who want a simple uncomplicated sound setup for their home workstation. The Pebbles feature 45-degree elevated drivers that angle the sound appropriately up to your ears, which is important for proper sound distribution. They're powered through USB-C interface and include a 3.5mm audio jack. There's plenty of cable for wider setups while still retaining excellent sound quality and clarity. In fact, that's the most surprising part. The 2-inch full-range drivers and passive radiators produced spectacular sound that is shocking for budget-level speakers at this range. The Creative Pebble speakers are great for those who neither desire nor require a surround sound setup and merely want great quality 2.0 stereo output for the favorite movies, TVs, games or music.